We're going to discuss not what to let go of, but how to let go of the items that we have stuck in the back of our closet that we haven't worn for years, but we know we really need to say goodbye to. Welcome back. Yes, I know it's been a hot minute, but I'm glad you're here. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Judy from Discover Your Style, and I'd love to welcome you to join us on this conversation. What's one thing in your closet that you just can't let go of? I'm going to share one thing with you. A while back ago, I was in a music video and it was amazing. I was a little girl, of course, at this time, and I got to be in it with my brother. Anyways, the band that I was in the video for, that gave me this jumpsuit, and I loved this jumpsuit. I mean, a drummer gave it to me, so super excited, and I wore it in this video. Anyways. Years passed, and every time I moved, I still had this jumpsuit. I'm in my 20s, I have this jumpsuit. I'm in my 30s, and I have this jumpsuit. And I realized if going into my career days, when was the last time I put this jumpsuit on? Never. If you really want to be your authentic self, you need to dress who you are at the time you are at right now, currently. So, in order for us to let go of these things that are cherished and beloved in our closets, we need to know why we are keeping them. So I can tell you, for me, this jumpsuit represented a night out. One time I was allowed to stay up way past midnight. I was with my brother, and he was the coolest thing ever to hang out with. So here I was spending one-on-one time with my brother. So this was a really special, intimate experience for me to be able to be with my brother at this time. And since many years have passed, my brother has died, so I still kept this jumpsuit. Why am I telling you that? Well, I recognize that when I'm working with clients, there are a lot of things in their closet that are very personal to them, that carry meaning of their first date, their first job interview, the first time they lost X amount of weight, first time that they fit into the something item once they've had a baby. List goes on. So I'm well aware of that emotional attachment one has when letting go of their pieces. Trust me when I tell you that now's the time, now's the season. It's fall, it's a transitioning season, so it's a good time to transition our minds into letting go of the things that we no longer need in our wardrobe. Now, it's not to say that that memory is not important, but can you cherish that memory in another way and create a space to create new memories in your closet for the current style in which you are at right now? Number one, share the memory, similar to what I just did today. Take the memory out of the back of your closet, out of the fabric, and into a shared experience. Share it with a close family friend, a family member, and if not, a journal or an app that takes notes. Whatever it is, share that memory and release it out of that clothing. Number two, ask yourself the hard questions. Does this fit? Does this represent my current personal style? And does it really align with my lifestyle that I am living at this moment? And number three, donate. Someone else may very well need that item that you're holding on to all this time. So if it's in good repair, why not share it with someone who's in need? Whether it's a shelter or a family, and as long as that item's in good repair, let it go, so somebody else can start a new memory with it. In the comments below, share with us, what's that item of clothing that you have in the back of your closet that you've held on to for more than 5 to 10 years that carries a very important memory for you? Share it with us in the comments below. And are you willing to let it go? Thanks for watching, everyone. Please, if you haven't already, press that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified when we're having our next conversation.